Come do it up here. He's still gonna fall on his face. Now do it going back down.
Where?
Going back down the driveway like you just did a few minutes ago.
Where?
Turn around.
Right there?
No, right down here. Turn around and do it.
Right there?
Just don't fall on your face.
Like that?
Yep.
Like that?
Yeah, come back and do it again. No, come here. That's pretty cool. Come back but do it. Like, come back and run faster and do it. Just, hey,
Daddy, my shoes are wet, so I gotta take them off.
No, don't take them off.
Cause they're wet.
Don't take them off.
They're wet.
Yeah, but if you take them off, you're gonna hurt your feet and you're gonna fall. Tyler, leave them on. Put it back on.
I gotta leave them.
Okay, well, no more running with the truck then, otherwise you're gonna fall.
This is not good fun, but it's not going to transform.
I think you should call him Optimus Digger
What?
or Optimus Dump Truck.
Daddy, my, see, I got there. Now?
Yeah.
Too fast?
Yep.
Too fast?
Just don't fall on your face. Oh God. Yeah, you got scared.
What's the owl gotta do?
We're gonna put the owl out to keep the birds away.
What?
We're gonna put the owl out to keep the birds away.
What?
We're gonna put the owl outside to keep the birds away.
How? Do we have it?
Have what?
The bird baby.
No, to keep the birds away.
Keep the birds away.
Yeah, that owls eat birds.
And Daddy, I gotta let my shoes clean.
You gotta dry them off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Clean? Dry off.
Okay. Say bye.
What?
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.